What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Cheetah Mamii. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing a Versace robe. So this robe we ordered in store about a week ago. This robe is my boyfriend's and it's exclusive and it's custom because Versace now has a new concept where you could embroider the back of your robe. So I'm super excited, and if you guys want to see me unbox this exclusivity, this new drip, then just keep on watching. I have this big package here in front of me. This thing is huge. I'm super excited to open it, and yeah, you're gonna see my reaction live. Let's go. As you can see, they have it all taped up with this like candy cane looking tape, which is like super festive. I don't know if that's their tape that they always use, but it looks like candy cane to me. You guys see that? So I got my knife and I'm ready. I'm just gonna go for it. It doesn't look that, I mean, it's super taped up, but it looks easy to get into. So let's go. You guys ready? I'm ready. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think we're open. Okay, you guys, so it looks like, this is all extra. This is all extra stuffing, and this is like the actual box that the robe comes in. Yes, this is the box that it comes with in the store. That's dope that they actually gave the box. So obviously this robe is from the Versace home collection. So if you are looking for one of the robes, make sure you go, if it's online, to the home collection. That's where you'll find it. I'm super excited, you guys. Okay, let's go. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas morning. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's a little card from the manager who helped us. This is the tie for the waist. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. So here it is, you guys. Can you guys see that? That is nice. Wow. Okay. So you see that embroidery? All right, let me take it out for you guys. Oh yeah. So it says flame. Do you guys see that? It says flame. So my boyfriend's rap name is Red Flame. So he just got the word flame on the back. That is nice. That is some poppin' ass drip, you guys. This is exclusive AF. As you can see, this is a size medium. Okay. Do you guys see that? That shit is popping. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. This is the new Versace robe. This is actually a new color as well. I'm waiting for mine to come in the mail. I have a special color I'm not gonna say. Stay tuned for that. That will be coming very soon, okay? So like this video if you enjoyed this unboxing. Comment down below. I want to hear you guys' thoughts on what you think about the new concept from Versace. I also wanted to show you guys the slippers. I showed these in my last vlog, but these slippers go with the robe exactly. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the robe and the slippers together. So that's that.